let's do something just like fun off the bat. Just to understand a little bit of a scale of where you are at in your Bollywood knowledge right now.
All right.
Okay. So Akshay Kumar has done 8 Khiladi films. How many of them can you name? There'll be one point each. Just starting off.
I'll start. Khiladi.
Khiladi, correct?
Khiladi number 1.
Khiladi number 1. There's no movie.
Yeah, okay. सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी.
सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी, absolutely.
मैं खिलाड़ी, तू अनाड़ी.
3 for him.
खिलाड़ी 420.
4. Wow.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
Yes, absolutely. That's 5 now.
There's one more with Kader Khan and Juhi Chawla. I'm forgetting.
Correct,
Mr.
correct.
and Mrs.
Yes,
Khiladi.
he got that, dude. Wow. 7.
What?
6. He got 6. Motherfucker, 2 more. Just 2 more. If you can get it, man, all points will be yours.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी मैंने बोला.
बोला.
बोला. All right.
Yeah. तूने खिलाड़ी बोल दिया, खिलाड़ियों खिलाड़ी बोल दिया, मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी बोल दिया, सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी बोल दिया, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी बोल दिया.
खिलाड़ी 420 भी बोला मैंने.
खिलाड़ी 420. Yes, he also said that. He said that already.
Yeah.
So now you have
2 more?
1 and I can see 1. Yeah, 2. Just 2 more left. Yeah, correct. You have 2 more. There's one more with a number.
Okay. Oh. There was one. It's a very
Come on,
recent
Gaurav,
one.
you can get.
Khiladi 786.
Yes, he got that. That's 7. One last if you can get it, man.
कनाडा का खिलाड़ी.
Oh, yes. Think about it. Yeah, think about it. Canada is
International
not...
खिलाड़ी.
Yes, he got it.
Holy
He got it,
fuck.
dude. Oh, man, you were so close. That's fucking
That is
awesome.
such a vulture moment.
Yeah,
You
that
see
is so, dude.
That is such a vulture moment. All
fucking-
build up. Was Jeet. And then one thing.
ये ऐसा चूतिया ऐसा इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर आता है और लास्ट बॉल पे छक्का मारेगा ये मैच जीता है हम लोग को.
और हिंट भी तू ही दिया था. कनाडा इंटरनेशनल.
Oh, great. All right, let's go, guys.
Was by the way international खिलाड़ी, was that the one in which you had Undertaker?
No, that's खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
तो इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी में वो
Is
याद.
Garden हो गया. Is that
Oh,
one.
Gulshan
This is where
Grover.
he races a plane on roller skates. Akshay Kumar.
Got it.
Yeah, and he wins, of course. You know, Akshay Kumar.
Of course he does.
Yeah, of course he does. All right, let's go, guys. Let's start with the main games.
Yeah.
The first game we're going to be playing is called Bollywood Jeopardy. How this works is I'm going to read the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film.
All right.
You have to buzz in. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first.
How do we buzz?
With a unique sound that you make with the mouth each time. Or unique-ish sound that you make with the mouth each time.
All right.
It can be it can be ouch, or whatever you want it to be. All right? Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. But the catch is, when you're answering, you have to answer in the form of a question. That's the Jeopardy angle. Okay? So say, if Dil Chahta Hai, if you want to say Dil Chahta Hai, you say, is this Dil Chahta Hai?
Oh.
You ask it as a question.
What is the point of that?
Because some of this is very simple. So this is a step to basically just throw you off a little bit.
All right.
You'll see. It makes it interesting.
It's a more inclusive, like for autistic people and whatnot.
Yeah.
Like talk in question form.
Just to throw people off. Okay, let's go. Let's see how it goes. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Also, the audience also gets to play along. How this works is, agar pehle round mein tumhara, you don't get the answer, I'll give you guys a hint. If after the hint also you don't get the answer, I'll throw to the audience, and the audience also is competing. They can also win points.
All right.
So keep that in mind. Let's go. The first question is as follows. Keep your buzzers ready. What is your buzzer sound? Gaurav? That's your buzzer sound?
I'll tap.
Tap. No. Do it in the mouth. Is your sound? And tera? This is going to get confusing, but let's see. Let's see how it goes. First up, keep your buzzers at the ready. Dash, a rowdy boy, falls in love with Dash, a first-year college student. After initial hatred, when Nirjara reciprocates his love, okay, you go first, a brutal attack renders him mentally unstable. Yes.
Oh fuck! I know this movie. अरे नाम याद नहीं आ
Jaldi
रहा.
bol, jaldi.
तेरे नाम.
तेरे नाम.
He didn't ask you the question. Jee, let you steal.
Is it
तेरे नाम?
Gaurav's suggestion तेरे नाम?
Yes, Tere Naam, 5 points for Jeet. Yeah, that's what happens. And now you get.
I get the
why we
fucking
ask it.
point
Yes,
of the question.
Now you get it.
Well done. This is the way to go. Yeah.
Absolutely. All right. That was the first one. 5 points for Jeet there. That's our best slide. After reading a book that changes her life, Dash is intent on meeting the author. Her quest takes her to a publisher, Dash, who leads her to believe that the writer is Dash. All the Dashes are separate people, separate characters. I'll read that again. After reading a book that changes her life, Dash is intent on meeting the author. Her quest takes her to a publisher, Dash, who leads her to believe that the writer is Dash. Yes.
बरेली की बर्फी.
He didn't ask it as a question.
Is it Jeet Modi's suggestion? Bareilly ki barfi.
Well done, Gaurav. That's how you do it.
But
Alright?
did you not ask it as a question on purpose?
No.
Yeah,
I
you
forgot about
right?
it. Yeah.
That's right. You get excited and you forget. That's what happens. 5 points for Mr. Gaurav right there. Next one. More bad.
Oh, damn.
Two Indian journalists, an American journalist, and an Afghan guide are taken. Gaurav will go first, but I'll complete the question. Are taken as hostages by Pakistani soldiers. They are forced to take a 48-hour journey into a war-torn country. Yes, sir.
Is it a wonderfully made movie which is starring John Abraham and Circuit from the Munna Bhai series?
Yes.
Is it these both? Is it Kabul Express?
It is Kabul Express.
That's
fucking great.
A small trivia
Kabul
about that. They had to legitimate carry like cartons of cigarettes into Afghanistan, and then like to not have issues to shoot over there, they
Huh?
ended up giving
Bribing?
them off
That's how you bribe?
as gifts, because in that part of the world you give things as gifts and whatnot. So they just
But wait, cigarettes are not a thing in Afghanistan? It's
No,
illegal.
so-
अफगानिस्तान
but
में
they-
टपरी है,
so-
तेरे को लगता है हर जगह पे.
नहीं लेकिन मूवी के अंदर
मेरे को
बोलते हैं
लगता
ना
है।
कि
No, far away like
No,
when-
तो
where
apparently they
shot.
love Indian cigarettes. Movie
Yeah.
के अंदर बोला था ये. And that was Kabir Khan's first movie, debut movie.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
like
it could
debut
well be,
feature
yeah.
film because he was a documentary filmmaker.
Yeah, correct.
And he's just John Abraham's character is based on him or that.
Oh, he's based on his own character,
yeah,
like his own.
yeah.
thing. Oh,
And
that's
then
cool. I didn't know
and
that.
you're singing that song, no? Kabul Fiza.
Yeah.
So there was a time when you had to have this one item song type thing where even in Afghanistan you show hey we are having fun.
Yeah.
और पूरे सॉन्ग में अरशद वारसी इज गोइंग क्रेजी राइट वो मस्त गा रहा है
Yeah.
एक्सप्रेशन दे रहा है एंड बीच बीच में जॉन इब्राहिम का
Yeah,
एक शॉट आता है
That's true. Yeah. You're right.
वो मूवी के बाद वो स्कार्फ कितना मिल रहा था मालूम है हर जगह पे.
Oh, the black and
Yeah,
white.
the black and white
which has
checkered
now
वाला
become
thing.
the tiger ka scarf. Which is now how things come full circle. Dude.
It is also the Palestinian protester logo. That is the overlap.
You know, I had. Okay, we finished this.
Yes.
So that was Kabul Pizza. That's Kabul Express. Sorry.
5 points deducted from the host.
5 points for Gaurav right there. Next movie. A talented but failed cricketer decides to return to cricket in his late 30s, driven by the desire to represent the Indian team and fulfill his son's wish for a jersey as a gift.
इज इट जर्सी
It is absolutely jersey. Yes, 5 points. For
This is a very easy.
It is.
Yeah.
लिखा है.
The-
How many cricket movies, Bollywood movies are there, by the way? Like 5? From
No,
Jannat to
lot more.
Iqbal to
Jannat, Iqbal,
Dhoni.
yeah, Dhoni, Sachin.
Sachin is a documentary. Lagan.
Lagan, obviously.
You guys are forgetting the most
there is
legendary cricket movie ever.
हम साथ हैं.
अव्वल number.
अव्वल नंबर हमजा साथ हैं. चमत्कार has a
अव्वल
cricket scene.
अव्वल number is I think it is the greatest cricket movie ever.
Really?
क्योंकि उसमें
I've not seen it.
it's got Amir Khan and Devanand.
Okay.
Yeah, and Aditya Pancholi is the villain.
Oh, wow.
And the story is आदित्य पंचोली को टीम में से निकाला है. देवानंद उसका भाई है और सिलेक्टर है. वो बीसीसीआई का प्रेसिडेंट है. और उसने अपने भाई को निकाल दिया और आमिर खान को जगा दिया. तो आदित्य पंचोली बदला लेने के लिए पिच में बॉम्ब डाला है. दिस इज द प्लॉट ऑफ द मूवी.
अव्वल नंबर bro.
अव्वल नंबर का स्टोरी है ये. अरे.
Can you imagine वो pitch reading के लिए जा रहा है ना जब commentator लोग ये खोदा हुआ क्यों है ऐसा बीच में.
संजय मांजरेकर इसमें मॉइस्चर कम है. एक्सपेक्ट अ लिटिल मोर बाउंस टुडे.
All right. Next, go to the next one. That was 5 points for Jeet. Go to the next one. Rival thieves Dash and Dash have an affinity for the same targets, which lands them in trouble. They face a huge challenge when they try to grab the same child for a large ransom. This is I would call it a retro film. Like,
Is it a comedy film?
I can help you. Sure. Yeah, this one I'll help you with.
I think I'll require a hint because there were like a ton of these all starring Amitabh Bachchan or Vinod Khanna or Shatrughan Sinha.
So there are
That
no
is
negative points. You can absolutely take a hint, take a guess, and if it's wrong, then it's wrong. There's no negative points. If
There's
you
no
wanna buzz
negative
it,
points?
There's no negative points.
Is it?
But do one attempt only. You can't just keep.
I'll do one.
Yeah. Jaldi bolo.
Is
jaldi
it
bolo.
Hera Fairy?
It's not.
Is it Do or Do Panch?
Wow! Yes, dude.
What?
It is absolutely.
Yeah, I had a lot
Do
of
or
free
Do Panch.
time. I had a lot of free time when I was a kid. I'm sorry. man. there was a movie called, there was a channel called CVO.
I love CVO, dude. I talk about CVO all the time. Nobody knows about
और
it.
उस पे ये दोपहर को ये सब आता था.
Yeah, dude. ये आता था. गोपी किशन आती रहती थी.
गोपी किशन, सुनील शेट्टी की.
और उसका लेजेंडरी मूव था जब मैं 14 साल का था, उसको पता चल गया कि मैं 14 साल का हुआ हूँ, तो उसने कामा सूत्रा को एयर किया था, ऑल इंडिया प्रीमियर, एंड माय फादर केम होम अर्ली दैट डे.
I remember this. I kind of loosely remember this coming on TV. Kama Sutra, right?
Yeah, that was my father used to come home at 11 every day. उस दिन वो 9 बजे आए कि ये चूतिया नहीं देखना चाहिए ये मूवी, ठीक है?
That was dude, absolutely. That was one of the dude. I think that's what led me and my brother to buy the VCD of Kama Sutra the movie.
Right.
Okay, watching it on CVO.
एक मिनट, were you in Powai at that time?
No, I wasn't. I was studying in Greenlawn.
तो Powai में there's this there was this Lakshmi VCD करके, there was a store, okay?
Shemaru, I used to rent from Shemaru, bro.
From where?
Shemaru, Pedder Road, Kemps Corner के वहाँ पे.
Kemps Corner के वहाँ पे ना, वहाँ पे एक ये इधर भी था, एक गिरगांव में भी एक था.
अच्छा.
वीडियो का सेट वाला, वो छोड़. इधर IIT के सामने लक्ष्मी फोटो स्टूडियो के बाजू में लक्ष्मी VCD करके था. ठीक है, वो 1500 रुपये का साल का 50 DVD देता था तुमको.
Oh wow, dude.
Alright, and he used to sit on this plastic stool. तो वो लेटेस्ट मूवी सब रखता था, और बाद में you're like ब्रो थोड़ा वो, तो स्टूल पे से हटेगा अपना वो कुर्सी, उसका ऊपर का पिलो
स्टेशंस एंड ऑल,
और उसके अंदर सब लाइक डबल चाहिए, ट्रिपल चाहिए, लाइक आज ट्रिपल का मूड है ब्रो.
But triple means 3 movies or triple means
triple
like
X.
threesome?
Come on, man.
Triple X.
Come on, man. Don't try to be like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
No, I thought triple means like threesomes or something, you know?
नहीं,
I thought why else I go to that guy in the first place?
नहीं, 90s में हमको पता नहीं था ऐसा 3 लोग का होता है. हाँ.
You did not have categories. Like this is the Pornhub thing that you're talking about.
Sure, that's
true. Choose and it's filtered.
I couldn't. Yeah, that's true.
So there was something called Single X, जिसमें खाली हॉलीवुड का अडल्ट मूवीज दिखाते थे, नॉर्मल अडल्ट मूवीज विद स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरीथिंग.
No, you know what they said? Single X was just imagine, no. Imagine.
But then अगर single X is A, double X then what is double X?
Double X में there is no penetration.
Oh, it's softcore.
It's softcore.
It's in the middle.
Oh, I never knew that. I just thought like it became triple X.
Hey, it's that filmy game show, guys.
Yeah,
finding out about different kinds of films. Hey.
KRK से लेके triple X तक, everything is here.
Yes, from Indian films to blue films, we cover everything.
So yeah, this is Door the Panch. Yeah.
Door the Panch, absolutely very cool. Full 5 points for Jeet. That
I should get fucking 15 for this.
Hey, okay, calm down. Calm down. Stop.
This is age appropriate for you only.
Exactly. Yeah, I was born 8 years after this came out.
I was born 4 years after this, but this is thanks to CVO that I know this.
Yeah, that's fucking awesome. All right, last one we'll do in this game. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Dash and Dash, a young couple learn about the secrets of the Dash. Together, they must stop the forces of evil after destroying the universe. From destroying the universe, yes.
Is it Ranbir Kapoor's movie?
Bolna. What's the name?
Astra, Brahmastra?
Yes, it is Brahmastra. He did ask the question. Full 5 points for Gaurav. Very well done. Very well done.
This was the movie. I think ये movie के साथ वो proxy tickets का चालू हुआ था. The discussion on that.
Yes. Oh, अच्छा. So you don't think it actually on 400?
So it was this and Kashmir Files both released I think in the same year, और दोनों में लोग ऐसा बोल रहे थे कि ऐसे ही मतलब.
I think Kashmir Files ने उसका दूसरा movie Vaccine War के लिए they did a bit of that. The Bogo.
Kashmir Files भी बहुत कमाई हो सकता है.
हाँ, you never know.
This one to make sense because I remember this is one of the movies we got those free tickets for, and we went to the theater. It was showing sold out online, fucking empty, dude. Like you know, like last 5 rows are like full, and the rest of it is completely empty. That's what they do. But what did you guys think of Brahmastra when it came out? Versus what do you think of it now?
Okay, so I did not enjoy the movie.
Even in the theater back then, like not at all.
In the way that what was reaffirming was the push that they have done in terms of effects.
Yeah, correct.
But that same thing was also very like heartbreaking because अरे ये top पैसा है रे.
Exactly. I did not जितना effects को hype up किया था मुझे लगा नहीं उतना. It was somewhere in the mix of anime. एक Avatar the Last Airbender था उसके zone में कहीं पे था लेकिन उतना पहुंचा नहीं. What was heartbreaking for me was they got Shah Rukh Khan to do a cameo.
Yeah.
एंड माय फेवरेट शाहरुख कैरेक्टर मोहन भार्गव को वो लोग ने चूतिया बना दिया मूवी में. ठीक है, दैट गाय इज अ फकिंग nuanced
But still,
character.
I would say that was the highlight of the film, other than, you know.
No, they fucking spoiled Swadesh ka legacy. I'm never going to forgive them for
Sure.
that. Yeah, dude, don't.
What legacy, man? It's
They
like, in the sense, like, they didn't spoil it because of one name.
no, but it is a very if you go to look at the story is a very simple, straightforward,
Yeah.
you know, as old as time wala story. Chosen
Correct.
one comes
Correct.
out, you know, how he makes his point in the world,
Yeah.
the training montage. All of that could have been done so well because it was the Wake Up Sid duo that I
Sure.
was so excited about. Ayan Mukherjee
Yeah.
और रणबीर कपूर दोनों मतलब
Yeah.
इतना अमीर जिया है कि लाइफ में ट्रॉमा कम है. ये सब बचपन में देखा रहेगा वो लोग कॉमिक बुक वगैरह. तो
Correct.
they would, you know, do this justice.
But हाँ, काफी हगा था वैसे. क्या करें, होता है यार, ठीक है, क्या करें.
ठीक है, कोई नहीं सीक्वल बना
Next
लो
time.
अभी.
Sequel apparently is not going to be with Dharma. Ayana has taken it out. Even Dharma was like, यार, too lost
नहीं परोड़ेगा, नहीं
हाँ,
परोड़ेगा.
नहीं परोड़ेगा. Okay, that's the end of this game. Let's see where we stand at the end of the first game.
So should we count the Akshay Kumar wala bhi?
Yeah, count that also.
Okay.
Yeah.
उसमें लास्ट वाला मैंने बोला था.
हाँ, वो उसके लिए 1. So Gaurav is at 16 points.
Gaurav has 16 points. Very cool.
Not
Very
bad,
nice.
not
Very
bad.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Jeet is at 21.
21.
ओके, खिलाड़ी में ज्यादा लिया ये. This was one number. Fuck, Akshay Kumar came to your rescue, dude.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
your name
But
is
that's-
Modi.
But
Exactly.
He's literally 5 points ahead. That's one answer. That's it.
That's,
Yeah.
yeah.
So you have,
you
you have
can
plenty of
catch
time.
up, dude.
Plenty of time.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think of his latest movie, Rocky Rani?
Rocky, pretty cool.
Yeah,
so,
I
okay,
liked it a lot.
I heard this, right? Someone was analyzing the movie and they're like, they've taken such quick shots and the camera moves so fast in that movie and and each scene is so short. They made the whole movie so that it can be Instagram friendly.
Okay, that's not
Yeah.
that's not wrong.
That's not wrong. It's not wrong at all. That's smart as fuck,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, correct.
Yeah,
For sure.
And I thought it was a pretty cool movie,
Yeah,
dude.
that's
dude,
the
that
mark
once-
of a great movie. Something that you can see only in sections.
एक
Yeah.
मिनट करके एक
Yeah.
मिनट.
Yeah, but Deshdrohi started it, but yeah.
So dude, that one scene in Rocky Rani where he's talking about कि बहुत भसड़ हो गई. He's apologizing to the father. Okay, sorry, I laughed at you, and like he's saying that. Dude, that scene, I've seen that movie like 3-4 times already. Always makes me tear up, dude. His acting is such in that movie.
I'm a big Ranveer Singh fan, dude.
I'm also a big fan.
Because I saw his first couple of movies and I'm like, okay, this guy has perfected Govinda.
Yeah.
That
Oh wow, that's a good
Yeah.
analysis. man.
He's a great mix of absurdity and silliness and cocaine energy ka Venn diagram. I'm not saying you like he does it. I'm not even saying he can afford it, but like it's that Venn diagram ka beach ka ye na where like wo uchal
Yeah.
raha hai. He's electrified all the time.
That's true. Talking about Govinda, man, I miss Govinda so much in the movies.
Yeah.
So, did you see the
Apparently,
recent-
so does Krishna.
अबे शादी पे गया वो यू नो इसके नीस का ही ना
नीस।
हाँ उसका
खुद
शादी
खुद की कृष्णा के नीस के
नहीं
कृष्णा की बेटी
कृष्णा की नीस के
कृष्णा की
कृष्णा की बहन
कृष्णा की बहन की शादी
Yeah.
So she becomes the niece
Niece,
or
his niece,
something
correct,
like
yeah,
Govinda.
yeah.
And they had like a slight like falling out or something because Krishna Abhishek had mentioned this one line where मैं गोविंदा को मामा करके रखता हूँ ऐसा कुछ तो उसने शो पे लाइन बोला था
हाँ
एंड गोविंदा ऑफ कोर्स लाइक रखता हूँ क्या है मतलब
He said, मैंने गोविंदा को मामा रखा है
हाँ like he said
I mean,
only
that's
Amitabh
so clearly a joke, man.
Yeah,
How do you
it
take
is.
offense at that?
no but Govinda
These
was like
people, dude.
No, but it's more than that. Apparently, Krishna's wife and Govinda's wife, they don't
have
like each
Chakki
other.
Sagra.
Yeah, they don't like each other. That's
Oh,
and that
dude.
became newspaper fodder because it just went into the
Yeah,
cycle
yeah.
for like 3-4 days.
yeah, but
This
I'm-
And until date, dude, like every few years, Krishna will be on someone's interview something, and they'll ask him about Govinda, and he'll always say the same thing कि मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि हमारा सब ठीक हो जाए, पर यही है.
At this point of time, honestly, I feel like if you look at any PR वाले का Google calendar ना, उसमें लिखा रहेगा schedule. एक साल हो गया इसका 6 महीना हो गया ये रिफ्रेश कर सकते हैं.
so Krishna, do you still miss your mama? हाँ तो आजा podcast पे.
That was the last time you talked to him, like 2 years back. Talk about all the things you like to talk to him too. Talk to him. about.
We have a fellow who's a look-alike. So this is like a cheap therapy session. What do you think about Bluffmaster as a movie? You know, उसका sequel बाहर आना चाहिए क्या नहीं? And you get Nana Patekar and Deshmukh's character in it
Yeah.
with Abhishek
Abhishek
Bachchan.
and Priyanka.
Like make like a sequel, but like because I really liked the movie.
I liked
was
the
a
movie. I
very
think it was
good
great movie.
It was very
It
good.
was
very
soundtrack
unique.
was-
Very unique for its time.
Yes.
It was not that
great,
unique.
excellent soundtrack,
it
great vibe.
wasn't that unique. It's a copy.
हाँ
Yeah,
मगर
yeah, yeah.
like
But
कौन सा
like
मैच
felt,
मैन का कॉपी?
हाँ.
yeah,
किसका? हाँ.
but I'm saying it felt new
It felt very new.
for its
It felt
time.
very
So,
very
like
new.
the
It was-
way of making
yeah.
it, you know,
Yeah.
was
No,
fresh.
presenting it was
Presenting it was
and the ending, in spite of what it was not underwhelming.
Yes.
Absolutely, yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was nuanced.
It was nuanced
मजा आया.
and it was funny and
But
मजा
very
आया.
funny. Nana Patekar like being scared नहीं तो मारेगा
क्या
मेरे को.
मजा
आया.
नहीं,
It was
बहुत
too good, too good.
Too great. Yeah. I love Bluffmaster. I love, dude.
I
The
would love a
songs
sequel for it.
Bluffmaster,
are
no?
excellent even
Excellent.
today.
Yeah.
Excellent.
All the Sena again, very unique song.
Yeah.
For an Indian movie. back then.
Vishal Shekhar, when
Yeah,
they were like Vishal
a
Shekhar.
rap, That was the first rap I think we had before hard. I think just after
There
hardcore was the
there
first thing.
वो One Love का बनाया था.
हाँ.
हाँ.
वो चुका-
क्या मैंने सोचा और क्या हुआ शान
Yeah, rap तो बहुत था पहले. ठीक है.
नहीं, but like yeah, fair.
Baba
fair.
Sehgal, dude.
But again, getting your main lead actor to rap or
to
sing
rap,
it,
that was fucking
that's
great.
rare.
Yeah, that was
rare.
great. And
Yeah.
Bluffmaster में, I mean that was a time when Vishal and Shekhar like top of the game. Okay,
Yeah.
there's a movie called Jhankar Beats.
Yeah, dude.
They
तू है
fucking broke out
तू
with that movie, yeah. And then there was no looking back. ये दो
Wait,
movies.
that was their first film? I did not know that.
No. I'm sure they've done more films,
Okay.
but that was like that got them established.
तू जो है तो सब कुछ है. I love that
Yeah.
song, dude.
I
Oh,
like
so
it when Bollywood movies, which would not generally be seen by your masses, like taxi
Yeah.
driver, rickshaw driver, but they break through and then they
Yeah.
make that bridge कि Bluffmaster का गाना भी बजता था हर जगह
That's
पे.
true,
Like
yeah.
they
That's true.
make it through.
Yeah, that's true.
Even in the one with the guy the कौन सा Arab type song था कौन सा था?
Oze bodo asakada boda.
I forgot the guy name of the guy. क्या you से कुछ था उसका नाम.
I don't know.
They got him and
Bora Bora.
Yeah.
I think I'm singing it right, by the way.
Yeah,
Because I heard
that's
it
good.
so much, dude.
no,
I
it's better.
have
It's
no
better.
idea
It's
what it
better than the original version. too.